Hello friends, I am Dr. Poonam Vyas, Assistant Professor in Business Communication at Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida. As you know, besides the defined curriculum, extracurriculum activities play a prominent role in any academic institution because it improves the visibility and credibility of not only an individual but an academic institution as well. So, viewing the high relevance of such activities, we have very meticulously designed various activities which are based on the principles of collaboration, cooperation, scaffolding, perspective building and critical thinking. One such activity which we organize every year is Lyceum Masterclass. In fact, Lyceum is a concept that is derived from ancient Greece, where great philosophers such as Socrates, Aristotle, Plato assembled in a designated area and interacted with their disciples through dialogues. A similar platform we want to give our learners through Lyceum Masterclass. In fact, it is a platform for budding managers to interact with high power industry panels on current business issues and impress them with their knowledge and presentation skills. So, the overarching theme of this year's Lyceum Masterclass is Generative AI, a game changer or a monster in the making. So, the competing unit will be a student team of 4, preferably consisting of 2 freshers and 2 experienced from the batch. In the past 2 editions, our Lyceum Masterclass initiative was a very successful and proved beneficial to the participating students. So, this year also interested students need to express their interest by forming groups and get registered on the given link. The event will take place on 23rd September 2023. I hope you will participate in the event with full enthusiasm and make it a huge success. Thank you.